87%. That's the false positive rate we found when we tested traditional SAST tools across 10 open-source projects. 1,031 alerts, only 152 real vulnerabilities. Your security team is drowning in noise, and the real threats are slipping through. We scanned 45 repositories with both traditional and semantic tools. The numbers were staggering. Across 10 projects, tools like Semgrep generated 1,183 findings. But when we validated each one, only 12.9% were real vulnerabilities. That's an average of 120 alerts per repo, just to find 15 real issues. Take NocoDB as an example. Semgrep flagged 222 issues. 208 were false positives. Only 14 were worth reviewing. But here's the worst part. A critical SQL injection vulnerability in OracleClient.ts? Semgrep missed it entirely. The tool generated mountains of noise, yet failed to catch the one vulnerability that actually mattered. This noise has a real financial cost. A senior engineer costs about $100 an hour. Each alert takes roughly 10 minutes to triage. That's 20 hours wasted per scan cycle, about $2,000 per project. Multiply that across your entire code base, and alert fatigue becomes one of your biggest hidden expenses. And the problem is accelerating. GitHub's 2025 Octoverse report shows 40% of merged code now uses AI assistance. That's 400 billion lines of AI-generated code in 2025, projected to reach 4 trillion by 2030. Veracode found that 45% of AI-generated code fails security tests. XSS defense failures hit 86%. Log injection? 88% success rate for attackers. These aren't hypothetical risks. Lovable, an AI coding platform, exposed 303 insecure Supabase endpoints across 170 sites. No row-level security. CVSS score, 8.26. EnrichLead, built entirely with Cursor AI, shipped with hard-coded API keys, no authentication and no rate limiting. The result? $14,000 in unauthorized charges. Then there's T, a dating app. 72,000 photos leaked, including 13,000 government IDs, over 1 million private messages exposed, 59.3 gigabytes dumped to 4chan, 10 lawsuits and counting. So what actually works? Semantic code analysis. Instead of pattern matching, it understands actual data flow and program logic. Our semantic approach found 225 vulnerabilities that traditional tools completely missed. In VLLM, we detected unsafe torch.load calls enabling remote code execution. In phase, 9 authorization bypasses, including a double negative logic error. In Langfuse, SSRF vulnerabilities in post-hog integration. In Agenta, sandbox escapes in restricted Python. 41 reports submitted to maintainers, 37 accepted, a 90.24% acceptance rate. Stop drowning in false positives. Collega.dev uses semantic code intelligence to find the vulnerabilities that actually matter, with zero overlap with traditional scanners. Visit collega.dev to see what your current tools are missing.